Sunshine Army, I welcome you all to your today's chemistry session, and that is the 5th class for ICSE class 10 students, study of acids, bases and salts. And yes, this is very important because we would be discussing about the pH scale and its application. So you have to stay till the end in the session, right? So that you can understand each and everything. So if you are new here on this channel, then do subscribe to it and hit the bell icon so that you can get the update about all the classes that we would be having in future as well, whether they are the Menti War sessions, whether they are some, you never know, something new is coming up for you. Okay, so stay connected for that, subscribe to the channel and like the video. So now we are just continuing with the topic. Before that, you can be a part of the Telegram group as well, so that would be given, link is given in the description box, so just check it out, right? And you will get the update about the class schedules. You can connect with us, master teachers would be there, right? And a lot more stuff would be there. Chalo, so in this session we have to discuss the pH scale and the applications. Without wasting any time, let's get started. So the question is that how do I judge the strength of an acid? Strength as in how can I call an acid as a strong acid, or what is the criteria to call an acid as a weak acid? How do we decide that? Is there any mathematical parameter to define that? Everything will be discussed here, right? So to find the strength of an acid, not just an acid, even if you want to find the strength of a base, then it's very simple. You have to see their ionization. Okay, so you have to see the extent of ionization in water. Like I have taken, let's say, hydrochloric acid 100 molecules in water. Then I need to see that out of these 100 molecules of hydrochloric acid, how many of them are actually breaking apart to give me H plus ions, right? So that is going to define the strength of an acid. Or if I have a base, then how many molecules of the base are going to break down, how many molecules are going to ionize to give you OH ions, right? So depending on that, we define the strength of a respective acid or base. So if you talk about water, water also ionizes. You know, I have told you the concept of auto ionization of water, but the extent of ionization is very small. Okay, that is why, see, we are representing it with the double-headed arrow. So why it is being shown like that? Because water is actually a very weak electrolyte, so it's not getting completely ionized. So if you have taken lots and lots of molecules, then very few will be completely breaking down to give you hydronium ions and OH ions. Okay, that is why we have represented it like that. And if you talk about the mathematical parameters, so let's say I am writing this water you have taken, right? 2 water molecules I've taken, that is gonna break, ionize to give me hydronium ions and OH ions, right? So you can find the product of the concentration. If I take the concentration of hydronium ions to the concentration of hydroxyl ions, or you can say hydroxide ions, this is basically known as ionic product of water. Okay, this is the equilibrium constant over here that we define as ionic product for the water. What is the concentration of hydronium ions? Multiply the concentration of OH ions. So we are talking about at a temperature of about 25 degrees Celsius. Then each ion will have a concentration 10 raised to power minus 7 mole per liter. Okay, multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 7. So this comes out to be equal to 10 raised to power minus 14 is the ionic product of water at 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, not confusing at all. I guess you are clear with that. So everything is written here, right? Product of concentration of these ions is 10 raised to power minus 14 moles per liter at 25 degrees Celsius, and this depends on temperature, right? So it's not always fixed. That is why we have signified the temperature. We are making it very clear, right? And the more the H plus ions dissociated, the stronger will be the acid. You know that the concept of Sir Arrhenius was that acids are those species which are going to give us hydronium ions in water. So more is the concentration of hydronium ions in water, stronger is the acid, isn't it? So that is what we have written here. Just say if you talk about hydrochloric acid, Aqueous solution, you have taken 5 moles, then all the 5 mole is going to break down to give me hydronium ions, and the respective यहाँ से bond टूटेगा, I will have chloride ions. Okay, so you can do it very easily. So such kind of acid which will have very high concentration of hydronium ion, that would be a strong acid. ठीक है, we have done this already. Auto ionization में भी मैम told you how basically this dissociation happens. So if you are confused, you can go back to the previous chapter and you can revise that. Right, when we were discussing the coordinate bonding, I told you this concept. So more will be the H plus ions dissociated, stronger will be the acid. You can compare the two acids. जैसे कि let's say I am having acetic acid. You take its aqueous solution, you take hydrochloric aqueous solution, HCl is going to completely break down. All the molecules will dissociate, so the concentration of H plus ions is high, but in the acetic acid there would be partial ionization. Not all molecules will break to give me H plus ions, so concentration would be less. That is why it would be a weak acid and hydrochloric acid would be a strong acid. ठीक है, but the real question that comes is that ma'am, how can I say which acid will dissociate more H plus ions? Like what is the parameter to say that acetic acid is gonna be a weak acid, it will partially ionize? मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा? That's a real time question, है ना? So that basically depends on the bond strength of the acid molecule that you have taken. किसका bond strength? Strength of the bond between hydrogen and the other component. जैसे कि let's say I am talking about hydrochloric acid. Now you know there is a covalent bond between hydrogen and chlorine, although it is not purely covalent, it's polar covalent, I can say. ठीक है? Okay, so what happens here? What is the extent of hydrochloric acid? That will depend on this bond strength. If the bond is very strong, then what will happen? It will become very difficult for the H plus ion to go out, ठीक है, to lose itself out. But if this bond is very weak, let's say there's an acid, इसी में I have taken hydrogen iodide, okay, and the bond is very weak. So if in case this bond strength is weak, then H plus ion can easily go out, ठीक है, it can easily be lost. So H plus ion ज़्यादा होंगे, that means stronger will be the acid, ठीक है. So you can study the stronger will be the bond, the lesser will be the dissociation, because H plus will say I don't want to go, bhai, my bond is already very strong. Okay, so I don't want to break myself down, I don't want to dissociate myself, and vice versa. If the bond is weak, then what will happen? H plus will happily go out, and that would be a stronger acid. So we will have a question to discuss over here. I will give you a hint, and the correct answer you will give me in the homework section, ठीक है. देखो, question says that arrange the following in the increasing order of their acidic strength, and what is the like species that are given to me? These are the halides, ठीक है. I am provided with the halogen family, group number 17 के, ठीक है. So now what I can see, HF, ठीक है, HCl is there, HBr is there, and HI is there. These are the acids of group 17. Okay, now you know that as I am going down in the group, size of halogen increases. Yes or no? Tell me in the chat box. When I am going from fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, then what is happening? Number of shells are increasing, right? If number of shells are increasing, then you know what is actually happening. The nucleus and the valence electron are going far away. So यहाँ पर iodine is having a much bigger size than fluorine. And hydrogen, you know, belongs to first period, so hydrogen का size भी छोटू सा ही है, right? So as you are going down in the group, then what is happening? देखो, HI is gonna look something like this. This is hydrogen and this is big size iodine. So because of the size mismatch, the bond which they are making, यहाँ पर जो sharing हो रहा है electrons का, that is not very strong. The overlapping of orbitals is not very strong because of mismatch of the size. But if you talk about HF, then they are actually having a comparable size, ठीक है. ये छोटू सा हाइड्रोजन है, ये छोटू सा फ्लोरीन है. So because of this, the bond strength is very high, ठीक है, the comparable sizes overlap is good, both the nucleus are holding the shared pair of electrons very tightly, so they're like ये we are enjoying this. So होता क्या है, as you are going down and down from HF to HI, it will become easy to break hydrogen iodide वाला bond. ठीक है, so it means that it will become easier for H plus to go out from HI as compared to HF. So out of all these, the strongest acid would be hydrogen iodide. ठीक है, HI you can say that is going to be strongest acid. So you give me what would be the correct order. Homework section में दे देना. Do you agree with this? HF, HCl, HBr and then HI. True or false? Okay. Very good. Now ma'am is going to tell you something about Vedantu's long-term subscription. So you know that your 10th board exams are approaching very near and there is no way to escape from them this time. Especially if I mention ICSE, they are very much sure that we wanna take the exam. Okay, that is why the updates on syllabus reduction have been already released by ICSE, otherwise they wouldn't have done that. Okay, so they are like, we are in a full mood to conduct exam this time, so you have to prepare yourself. So if in case there would be a lot of students, I know that they have still not started working hard, so in a proper, like you can say, with a schedule pattern, या फिर you're like ma'am we are lagging behind in a lot of syllabus, I'm just doing maths, I'm just doing science, the focus on other subjects you are not able to hold properly, then you can join Vedantu in your journey to get the 100% marks. ठीक है, and इसके लिए ma'am is going to tell you one more thing, that you can go with the 1 month trial subscription for once. In 1 month trial subscription you would be getting all the benefits that you get in the year long subscription. ठीक है, so all these things you would be getting, that ma'am is just going to tell you. जैसे you are having VIP, so Vedantu's improvement promise is like a guarantee card. मतलब if you are taking enrollment with Vedantu for the entire 1 year, then we are going to promise you guarantee in your academic performance, not just academic but holistic performance, right? So what happens, let's say you have set a target that ma'am I want to achieve 90% because I was already scoring 80s, 82, 83, 84, now I want to go with more marks, take a 90%. So for that you have taken Vedantu subscription, but even after your board exams you see that you still haven't seen any improvement. So there will be a feeling that ma'am paisa waste ho gaya, I'm not happy with what I have actually, the money that I've spent, so I want it back. Vedantu is gonna give your entire course fee back if you are not satisfied at the end of the course, if you don't see any improvement in yourself. Okay, so that is the guarantee and it comes with a 1 year wala subscription. ठीक है, so 1 year से पहले you can go and try for 1 month का trial subscription, that is at the cheapest price in the month of July, because maximum enrollments happen at this time only, when students realize अरे it's the time that we have to start working, right? And already the new batch details are added up over here, so you can just check that. So you have to hurry up because you never know when the next batch will start. ठीक है, so otherwise you might have to wait for 30, 40, 50 days. That will be a problem. So you would be getting all the live classes. ठीक है, जैसे यहाँ पर we have the recorded sessions, then don't worry about that, live classes, and that too unlimited in number. ठीक है, so means unlimited, so you can complete your entire syllabus even within a month if you have enough caliber in yourself. Okay, and all the sessions are having very high level quizzes, not just the quiz, the subjective pattern is there, association reason type questions are there, so everything is covered during the class. So you get to compete with the students throughout the world. So the best part is you get to compete with yourself, I will say rather. Okay, so like we keep on conducting the test after every every chapter completion for all the subjects, so you can know your rank performance, your batch rank, how many like marks you are scoring, in depth analysis, what are the topics where you are lagging behind. Okay, so how can you improve out of that, so you can compete with the students even in 1 month subscription. Then we have interactive replays available for you. So इसमें क्या होता है, let's say if in case you missed a live class, then you can go back and watch the replay and you can still play the quizzes. Not like Menti कि if you miss Menti then you cannot attempt it again. यहाँ पर ऐसा नहीं होता है. You also get the premium downloadable handwritten notes, ठीक है, and you are also having hard copies जो मिलते हैं, ठीक है, हार्ड कॉपीज भी होती है ऐसी. आई कैन शो यू. अभी आई जस्ट गॉट माई तत्व बुक्स जस्ट लाइक दैट, ठीक है. सो दिस हैज वेराइटी ऑफ क्वेश्चंस इन इट, सो यू ऑल्सो गेट इट इन द 1 year subscription. Okay, and handwritten notes by the teachers you will get even in 1 month subscription, so that is the best thing. In class doubt solving is there, so the biggest thing that misses on YouTube is your doubts. जहाँ पर भी आप जाते हो डाउट्स कोई नहीं ले पाता है ना. नॉट 100% ऑफ द डाउट्स आर सॉल्व्ड, बट दैट इज समथिंग वी प्रॉमिस इन द लाइव सेशन. सो ड्यूरिंग द लाइव क्लासेस वी हैव अ टीम ऑफ केमिस्ट्री और रिस्पेक्टिव सब्जेक्ट मैटर एक्सपर्ट्स दैट हेल्प यू विद योर लाइव क्लास डाउट सॉल्विंग, राइट. एंड आफ्टर एवरी क्लास an assignment is shared with you. We discuss those assignments, so we basically focus on covering the maximum number of questions that we can, and that is the most important thing, right? Now this is the heart of the subscription. Free unlimited live micro courses also, I can say लाइव भी चलते रहते हैं एंड देयर आर द अदर वन ऑल्सो. सो इफ़ यू वाना डू इट जल्दी जल्दी एक दिन में यू वाना कंप्लीट द चैप्टर, तो रिकॉर्डेड वाले भी होते हैं, ठीक है. सो फ्री अनलिमिटेड माइक्रो कोर्सेज एंड फ्री क्रैश कोर्सेज आर ऑल्सो देयर. सो यू नो हाउ इम्पॉर्टेंट इज इट टू अटेंड अ क्रैश कोर्स नाउ. द कॉम्पिटिशन इज ऑलरेडी इंक्रीजिंग सो मच, सो यू नीड टू नो योर रैंक परफॉर्मेंस एंड एवरीथिंग सो दैट you can improve better. Yes, helps you to prepare for competitive exams as well. So it's just like unlimited classes at such a low price. कितना price है that also ma'am will show you, but before that देख लो ICSE students 12th July batch for class 10th and for class 9 students 19th July. If in case you are from CBSE then you still have a chance. यहाँ पर 5th August से हो रहा है नया batch start, ठीक है. So you have to wait for quite a long time. Now you can also attend the pro exclusive micro courses, ठीक है. So pro exclusive micro courses are taken by all your favorite master teachers, ठीक है. All Vedantu 9th and 10th English channel वाले teachers and the Hindi teacher वाले channels are taking the pro exclusive micro courses that you can basically go with only if you are a member of 1 month subscription at least, ठीक है. And you can prepare for the best. So this is a coupon code to get extra 10% discount, that is SKA Pro, ठीक है. So now ma'am will show you how to do this thing. This is the video, ठीक है. कोई भी ICSE का वीडियो, the right now the video that you are watching, so like it first of all, then show more. In the description box you will get a note, subscribe to Vedantu Pro now, tap on this, ठीक है. टैप करने के बाद यू आर हैविंग this screen where you get to know about the plans. So we are having the Pro Lite, we are having the Pro Classic, we have the Pro Plus. So you can simply go with the Pro Lite subscription. अगर आप ये सारी चीज़ें चाहते हो and you are a regular student, like you can manage the classes very well, है ना. Like when we are having the sessions, you are coming on time, you are doing your homework and assignments, go with the Lite वाला subscription. All these features, live interactive classes, test series and analysis, assignments and notes, doubt solving during the class, सब कुछ होता है इसके अंदर, ठीक है. So I will advise you to try for 1 month first of all. So in just around 2600 they are asking, but after applying the coupon code then you will have to pay 2340 rupees. And you know this is not just for science, yeah, you're getting all the subjects here, and these are the different modes of payment that you can make. You can also go for year subscription, you are getting a guarantee there, ठीक है. सो गारंटी है एंड EMIs भी है, नो कॉस्ट EMIs आर अवेलेबल, सो ईजी पेमेंट, सो देयर वॉन्ट बी एनी प्रेशर ऑन द पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो. बट इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ डाउट सॉल्विंग मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन देन गो विद द क्लासिक सब्सक्रिप्शन. ठीक है, सो जितने भी डाउट्स है यू कैन ट्राई दिस ऑल्सो फॉर 1 month एंड सी इफ इट वर्क्स और नॉट. Plus subscription is there जिसमें you also get a personal mentor for personalized attention. ठीक है, so not just attention, like if you need any kind of help in your academics या फिर you need a career counseling then they would be helping you. But I will advise you simply light वाला subscription 1 महीने के लिए ले लो, best है, you will get unlimited classes. ठीक है, चलो now ma'am is gonna show you how the platform basically looks like. So you join the subscription, this is how your Vedantu's platform will look like. In my session tabs you will be getting all the classes which you have to take, like at 5 PM we have atoms and molecules, then 6:15 per we have this class. ठीक है, so you can join them and you can tap on past sessions to see the replay. यहाँ से replay भी देख सकते हो. ठीक है, जैसे I have the replay of chemical reactions and equations, यहाँ पर everything is given. Like the quiz was started after 10 minutes, then hotspot was started after 13 minutes, then again quiz was there. ठीक है, everything. So if you scroll down and down you can see how many quiz questions were conducted here. ठीक है, and going further down 130 doubts were asked in the class and all of them are resolved. This is what I was talking about, the live class doubt solving. ठीक है, you can also get the notes by tapping in here. Tap on get notes and yes, a PDF would be downloaded and you can go down. These are the hot questions that we are having, high order thinking skills. So you will get all the handwritten notes, take all the study material, so you don't have to go for books and other stuff. So everything you are getting, it's a complete package basically. ठीक है, चलो, I guess everything is clear to you now and we are ready to resume the topic. शुरू कर देते हैं. स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ अ बेस इज ऑल्सो वेरी सिमिलर. जैसे एसिड का स्ट्रेंथ होता है, यू सी द नंबर ऑफ H+ आयॉन्स या हाइड्रोनियम आयॉन्स. सिमिलरली बेस अकॉर्डिंग टू सर एर्हीनियस गिव्स अस OH आयॉन्स इन वाटर. सो मोर द नंबर ऑफ OH आयॉन्स इन वाटर, stronger will be the base. जैसे if you talk about potassium hydroxide, you are taking 100 molecules of it, then all of them will dissociate to give me potassium ions and OH ions. So इसमें OH का concentration बहुत high होगा, it is a strong base. But if you take ammonium hydroxide aqueous solution, then it is a weak base because it will only partially ionize to give me ammonium ions and OH ions. ठीक है, सो दिस OH आयॉन्स का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन यहाँ पर लेस होगा बिकॉज इट्स पार्शियली डिसोसिएटेड, सो इट वुड बी वीक. Okay, now the question is that can we quantitatively find the amount of H+ ions and OH ions? I want to know the exact figures. Tell me what is the criteria to find the strength of a solution. Can you do that? Definitely we can do that, and we have a very छोटू सा topic for that. pH scale. जैसे pH scale होता है, you also have pOH scale for the bases, so we are gonna explore that. ठीक है, so what we can do, we can make a universal indicator. So it's again a mixture of dyes only. You have mixed the different indicators and you have made a new indicator out of it. So this universal indicator, it shows different colors at different concentration of hydrogen ions. ठीक है, सो H+ आयॉन का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन अगर चेंज होगा देन द कलर ऑफ द यूनिवर्सल इंडिकेटर विल ऑल्सो चेंज. How this is going to work? Let's understand it. So the idea of pH scale was given by Sorensen in around 1909. Okay, and he said that in the pH scale, P basically stands for potence. That means power, or you can say strength. Potence, पावर, स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ हाइड्रोजन. एंड हाइड्रोजन यहाँ पर कहना चाहते हैं हम H+ आयॉन्स की बात कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द H+ आयॉन्स है. सो व्हाट इज द स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ H+ आयॉन इन अ गिवन सॉल्यूशन? सो सोरेंसन ने एक बेसिक सा रिलेशन दिया था. ही सेड दैट pH इज equal to minus log of concentration of H+ ions. log base 10. Okay, so ये कैसे मिला होगा, मतलब he clearly said that pH is inversely proportional to concentration of H plus ions. pH is inversely proportional to concentration of H plus ions. It means that if the pH value is high, then H plus ion concentration would be less. It means at higher pH acid would be weak. If pH value is low, H plus ion concentration would be more. It means stronger will be the acid. ठीक है, that was the basic idea. एक numerical देखो solve करके, this is the relation. pH is equal to minus log of concentration of H plus ions. ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो. Now it's given in the question a solution of H plus ions of concentration 10 raised to power minus 12 moles per liter. So H plus ion concentration is given to me. I will put the value minus logarithm of 10 raised to power minus 12. So this is simply a property of log. देखो log a raised to power n can be written as n log a. I'm going to use that property. So this minus 12 will come here. Okay, so it will become minus 12 log base 10 10 and log base 10 की value होती है 10 1. So this will become plus 12. So pH of this solution would be 12. ठीक है, कर सकते हो. If you are having the H plus ion concentration, you can find the pH. If you have the pH, you can find the concentration of H plus ions quantitatively. That is the beauty. And not just that, ऐसे ही एक POH scale भी होता है, that is for the potence of OH ions, and there is a relation between pH and POH. pH plus POH का value होता है 14. This is not in 10th class right now, but still. Okay, so how do we study this pH scale? You can start from the pH value 0 and it is going up to 14. ठीक है, so below 7, like from 0 to 7 pH, this is the dominant range for the acids, because यहाँ पर H plus ion concentration is more than OH ions. At pH 7 neutral solution exists. H plus ion का concentration is equal to OH ion का concentration. ठीक है, and the next one above pH 7 bases are dominant. ठीक है, यहाँ पर OH ion concentration is more than H plus ion concentration. So you can remember this relation. pH is inversely proportional to H plus ion concentration. So that is also justified here. देखो at low pH values you are having the strong acids. ठीक है, so pH 0 पर तो strongest acid exist करेगा, and at higher pH OH ion का concentration is more. So around pH 14 strongest base will be existing. ठीक है, आसान है ना. So these are some of the examples of the things that we use in the daily life. So you can study this and get to know about the pH value. जैसे you have hydrochloric acid pH 1. pH है तो H plus ion concentration निकाल सकते हो easily. ठीक है, not difficult. ऐसे ही you are having coffee has pH around 5. Coffee is acidic in nature. ठीक है, we should try to avoid coffee. Then you are having some blood. Blood has the pH value around 7.4. ठीक है, so means blood is slightly basic in nature. So go through these examples, and this is how we have summed it up, the pH scale. At pH 7 neutral solutions, less than 7 में acids would be there, more than 7 में bases would be there. ठीक है, so let's say you are provided with an unknown solution and you actually want to know whether they are acid or base. So simply you take the universal indicator, that is a strip of paper. ऐसा paper होगा, dip it in your respective given solution. जो भी acid या base है, dip that universal indicator into it, then observe the color change. ठीक है, आपको अलग अलग concentration H plus पर अलग color मिलेगा. So you can color, that color can be matched from the pH scale. ठीक है, so let's say you are having a solution and you dipped universal indicator into it and it turned red in color. आपने देखा red हो गया, so match it from this. say अरे red means pH value is 0 and you can find the H plus ion concentration because you have a relation between the two. ठीक है. लेट्स से कलर चेंज हुआ येलो, सो यू कैन से अरे pH वैल्यू इज 3. सो इफ यू हैव द pH वैल्यू H+ आयन पता चल जाएगा, है ना. सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन easily determine using the universal indicator. You don't need to remember the color separately, just ऐसे याद रखो Vibgyor, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. उल्टा Vibgyor, ठीक है. Start from right to left. Okay, that's very easy, you all can do this. ठीक है. The next part is the importance of pH in everyday life. Very important topic. So are plants and animals pH sensitive? Definitely they are pH sensitive, isn't it? So you would have seen that every year there's a huge decline in the aquatic life. Now what is the reason for that? Because जब भी acid rain produce होता है, then that acid rain is falling into the sea water, है ना, and that is increasing the acidity of the sea water, and in highly acidic conditions your fishes and plants cannot survive. ठीक है. So what happens if pH falls below 5.5 of the rain water? I will be calling it as the acid rain, and the primary cause of acid rain is the pollution that we are doing, है ना. जैसे we are doing इतना सारा pollutants we are releasing from the industries. These gases, they dissolve in the rain water and they form some acids, and these acids fall into the river, acid rain, and it basically destroys the aquatic life. It destroys the plants also. जैसे plants में भी if you keep on using fertilizers for excess period of time, then those ammonia based fertilizers are gonna make the soil highly acidic. ठीक है. If soil becomes super acidic, then what will happen? Its pH will be disturbed. Then soil जो होगा that starts losing its quality also, and crops cannot survive in the condition. So we have to add a mild base to neutralize that acid. ठीक है. Generally हम add करते हैं calcium oxide, calcium carbonate, so that they can neutralize it. And our body works best in the pH range of 7 to 7.8. It means slightly basic range में हमारा body काम करता है. That is why you feel very uncomfortable when acidity increases in the stomach, right? And this I have told you, plants also require a specific pH range for the healthy growth, that is slightly acidic. आप बोल सकते हो pH 6 से लेकर 7 तक होगा, so ideally crops can grow there, but not less than that. ठीक है. The same thing happens when we are consuming excess of you can say fast food, या फिर you do the overeating, you are not eating anything, you are fasting a lot. So what happens? The hydrochloric acid in the stomach starts producing a burning sensation, है ना. So just to feel better, then we go with some mild bases. We can take some baking soda, that's a mild base, non-corrosive, add it into water, drink it. That will neutralize the excess of acid. या फिर आप ले सकते हो milk of magnesia, that is again a very good antacid, right? And your body is pH sensitive. Again the second proof is the tooth decay. Your teeth also, your tooth enamel basically, it starts degrading when the pH of the mouth is less than 5.5. So that would be highly acidic condition, and calcium phosphate, the tooth enamel cannot survive that acidic condition. That is why we are asked to brush our teeth daily, so that any food that is accumulated there, that can be out, right? Otherwise if the food is sticking to your mouth, then to your teeth basically, then bacteria are going to release acids and sugars out of it. Okay, so we don't want that. Then you have bee sting. Bee sting hurts a lot, right? So why it happens? Because it injects an acid that is known as formic acid. कौन सा एसिड होता है? फॉर्मिक एसिड इज इंजेक्टेड इन द बॉडी. नाउ अगैन एसिडिक कंडीशन, बॉडी कांट सर्वाइव, सो वी फील इरिटेटेड. So what you can do, if you want instant relief, then you can rub baking soda against it. जहाँ पर भी sting हुआ है, baking soda को rub कर लो अच्छे से. That's a mild base. It will neutralize that acid. Okay. Similarly, certain diseases are diagnosed by the pH change in the blood and urine. So when you go for a checkup, then doctors usually ask for a blood sample and a urine sample. So what they are gonna do with that, पीएच और यूरिन सैंपल का सेंट्रीफ्यूगेशन भी किया जाता है वैसे. सो अदरवाइज व्हाट दे डू, बाय ऑब्जर्विंग सम चेंजेस इन द पीएच वैल्यू ऑफ योर यूरिन, इट्स वेरी इजी टू डिटेक्ट किडनी स्टोन्स. ठीक है, या फिर लिवर से रिलेटेड कोई इन्फेक्शन होगा, वो ब्लड के पीएच में इम्बैलेंसिंग हो जाएगा. सो डॉक्टर्स टेक द हेल्प एंड they can avoid a lot of diseases by observing the pH only. ठीक है, so these were some of the applications of pH, and we have covered the topic of strength of acids and bases. Now this is your homework question, and do tell your friends about it that we are we have actually started Prodigy for ICSE also. Not much students are aware about it, so that in future we can have some live sessions on the quizzes and the questions and on the new exam pattern, right? So do share the video with your friends and let them know about this, and I want the answer in the comment section. Try to find the pH of all of these. So we have covered pH scale and applications in daily life. Next time we will discuss the classification of salts and their preparation. So again reminding you to go for Vedantu's improvement promise. Matlab we are giving it, you can go for 1 year subscription, that is coming with a guarantee. Otherwise go for 1 month. Nothing is better than that. 1 महीने का subscription ले लो and the syllabus would be over. ठीक है, SKA Pro is the coupon code that you can use and attend the Pro exclusive micro courses. They have already been started from 5th July, so you still have a lot of time to enroll yourself in there, right? Chalo, so do like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Shilpi ma'am will see you next time with the next class. Bye bye.